Hello beautiful people. In this video, I will show you how to create this amazing dual lighting effect in 2 minutes. So, before getting into the video, please make sure to leave a like and press the subscribe button because it helps me a lot to create more amazing content like this. Okay. Without wasting more time, let's jump straight into the video. First, open PicsArt and import the photo. Now, go to Effects and select Black and White. Then select the Draw tool. Now change the brush type to this. Also, change the brush color to red. Now, draw some thick lines like this. Now select this layer's icon and tap on these 3 dots, then select Transform. Now you have to zoom this layer and place it like this. After you are done, go to Layers and add a new layer like this. Now change the brush color to blue. Then, draw again like this in blue color. Now go to Layers and select the blue layer, then select Transform. Then, zoom the layer and place it like this. Now, go to Layers and select the blue layer, then change the blend mode to Overlay. Then, select the red layer and change the blend mode to Overlay. Now, go to Tools and select Adjust. Then make these small retouches like this. That's it, now you have created an awesome dual lighting effect in PicsArt. Hope you learned something new from this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe the channel for more amazing content like this.